Everyone, welcome back into the video. In this video we'll be talking about how to create a custom toast in Kotlin using Kotlin and like in Android using Kotlin and XML. So here's the example of a custom toast. It looks like this, and here's the example of normal toast. So I have already created a project and I'll open it and close this emulator and project. So let me close it. This is the project that we had earlier. So as you can see, nothing is new, everything is same. It's something I opened for my own reasons. So yeah, so now what we can do is we need to create a new resource file. We need to go layout, we need to go new, we need to go to resource file. Here we need to make it custom underscore toast. So here we got a custom toast, and I'll not want the constraint layout to do it. It would be far easier to do it via linear layout. I'll use a linear layout to do this. I think let me fix it as quick as possible. Yep, so this is the linear layout, and the let me give it a ID. It's a view group which will have our text and image. Orientation will be vertical, I think horizontal will be fine. You can give a background hashtag 90 EE. You can take any color. I like this, I took this. And here we need to have a image view, so we can have an image view. Wrap content, and we can give a src. We can take any image, but now I want to take, we already have few drawables. Like we can take baseline 10k. Home we can take maybe like this one we can take. Oh, not this one, man. Like not like this. Maybe this. Yeah, yeah, this looks okay, kind of. Take it. Okay, perfect, we got it. Now we need to have a text view. Right, text view, wrap content. Here's the text view, and now we need to give it a text. Let's say custom toast. Give it a like good font size, text size 20 sp for sure. Yep, I think it can also increase via text size only. I don't think it would. No, it won't. It doesn't increases by this way. Okay, so let it be like that. Oh, it increased, I think. For checking, what we can do is we can give it 200 dB sp. No, it won't anyway, it won't. Okay, so this is done. Now we can give a little bit of padding between them. So what I can do is we can do padding horizontal, let's say 10 dp, because I took padding like this, not in between. So we need to give padding over here, padding 10 dp. Same padding we can give it to the below one as well. Perfect, I think they look okayish. We don't need to do a lot of things. You can decorate it by your own. Okay, now we need to go to main activity. Before this, we need to go to this activity and make a pop button to just see how this custom toast work. So we need to create a button, wrap content, and the button needs to have an ID, btn toast. And why it's complaining? No, it's not. Let's say text pop, and what I can say is I need to make it center, so center invariant true. Yep, here we go, the button is in the center. Perfect, btn toast is the ID. Let me copy it. Let's go to main activity.kt. This was our previous work, I won't change anything. I'll say val btn. We don't have anything like btn. Okay, you can do find view by ID. It's a button dot id dot, what is the name? This is the name, btn toast. id dot btn toast. Perfect. Why is complaining? I think it's not able to find. I think it won't be a serious thing to take care of. Set on listener, like listener, the lambda one. Always take, don't take the bracket one, or you can just, I like this one. I like to use this one, lambda one. It's quite easy to handle this. Okay, so we have got this done. Now what we need to do is we need to take the view. So val vg view group, and it is what type? It is a view group type, and we will place a question mark here because it can be a nullable string. We can do find view by id, dot id dot view group. It is a view group. We got it. Why it's complaining? I think it does not contain a declaration with btn. I btn toast. Okay, let me check it if it is so. Not here. Let's call it btn only. Like, it's better to be btn than btn toast. Dot id dot btn. I think it won't complain now. Still it's complaining, then I can't help. it's it's an it's just annoying. There's nothing error in that. So yeah, we got a view group. Now what we need to do is we need to basically create a layout inflator. So what I can do is I can say val inflator is equals to layout inflator. What is the next thing? We can basically make a layout. So layout, which will be of view type, it would be basically a view, and inflator dot inflate. What we need to inflate? We need to inflate the custom toast, r dot id dot custom toast, not id, r dot view, r dot layout, sorry, r dot layout dot custom toast, comma vg, which will be our view group. We got all this inflated. We got our layout done. Now what we need to do is we need to create something called as toast. So val toast equals to, not the capital T, because it's a class that we already have, which is toast. Okay, you can pass this, the application context. Then we can say toast dot view equals to layout, not semicolon, it's not needed in Kotlin. Toast dot duration. What would be the duration? Let's take it length. Toast dot length short. And at last you can do toast dot show to toast, to show your toast. Let's run it and check whether it's working or not. I was missing the start button, but there was something like restart button. Okay, so again I need to just pause the recording to let it build and come back. Okay, it's launching on device. So yeah, okay, it's restarting. Let it boot. Okay, perfect. You can see our custom toast is visible. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you have not watched my earlier videos, like how to build this bottom navigation, how to create the splash screen, you can just check on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.